Welcome to the ComusTumbz admin navigation menu. This is the modern layout, a horizontal bar across the top of every admin page with 13 parent menus, each opening into a drop-down of related tools. Hover any parent to see its child links. If you prefer a side rail layout instead, look for the classic modern toggle on the far right of the navigation bar and flip it. The page reloads in the alternate style. To the right of the toggle, you'll see your license status bar, a green check confirming the license is verified, your tier, your current skim percentage if any, and your remaining AI credit balance with a buy credits button next to it for topping up. We'll come back to that at the end. For now, let's walk through every menu, left to right. Help. The first menu, marked with a question mark icon, is Help, your starting point when you're stuck. Comus Manual opens the official ComusTumbz documentation site in the same tab so you can read setup guides, feature explanations, and reference material. Forums takes you to the community forum where other operators share tips, troubleshooting threads, and feature requests. Troubleshooting jumps you to the manual's troubleshooting section for the most common problems and their fixes. Trouble Ticket opens the official support ticket system where you can file an issue directly with the ComusTumbz team. Import. The second menu is Import, every way to get content into your site. Bulk Gallery Importer. Paste imports many photo galleries at once with their thumbnails, titles, and category assignments. Bulk Model Importer adds many performer profiles in one operation with names, slugs, and metadata. Bulk Video Import takes a list of video sources and creates database entries for all of them in a single batch. Upload Video lets you upload a single video file from your computer through the browser. Video FTP tracks files dropped into the FTP Uploads folder by an FTP client and processes them automatically. Streamlink Videos manages live stream recording sources, channels and broadcasters whose live streams should be auto-recorded. YTDLP Videos manages download sources for sites supported by YTDLP, like YouTube, Vimeo, and 1,000 others. Grabber manages the tube grabber feeds that scrape and embed videos from other tube sites. CSV Import bulk imports videos from a comma-separated values spreadsheet you've prepared offline. Model Feeds manages autopilot feeds that watch specific models and import their new content. RSS Feeds manages content sources that publish via RSS, so your site picks up new items automatically. Database. The third menu with a database cylinder icon is Database. Review and moderate everything that's already on your site. Gallery Review opens the gallery moderation queue where you approve, edit, or delete imported galleries. Video Review does the same for videos, pending, processing, active, and disabled queues. Browse Creators lists every creator account on your platform with verification status and earnings. Creator Posts shows the wall posts creators have published with moderation controls for each. Creator Media is the master list of every image, video, and audio file uploaded to Creator Posts. Categories is where you create, edit, merge, and reorder content categories. Models is the master performer database. Names, slugs, bios, profile images, and content links. Cam Models lists every live cam performer aggregated from your configured cam sites. User Management is your user account admin. Search users, edit accounts, change roles, suspend or ban. Comments, moderation is the queue for user comments awaiting review or flagged for follow-up. Engine. The fourth menu is Engine, the back-end machinery that keeps the site running. Conversion Servers configures the remote machines that handle distributed video transcoding when local processing isn't enough. Video Processor opens the dashboard for the main video transcoding engine. See jobs in flight, recent completions, and errors. Video Queue is a visual queue showing every video currently waiting, processing, or finishing in the pipeline. Storage Groups configures your CDN endpoints, Bunny, Wasabi, Backblaze, Cloudflare R2, and so on, and the logical groups that route uploads to them. API Tester is a built-in tool for sending test requests to your REST API endpoints, useful when developing or debugging integrations. Templates. The fifth menu with a code file icon is Templates. everything that controls how the site looks. Dashboard is the template management overview with quick access cards for every templating tool. Themes is the theme manager. Switch between the 15 included themes or upload a custom one. Files is the in-browser file editor for theme PHP, CSS, in JavaScript files. Features is the feature toggle panel where you flip individual platform features on or off. Styles is the visual style manager for tweaking colors, fonts, and spacing without writing CSS. Layouts is the layout manager for arranging widgets and content blocks on each page. Translations is the multi-language translation manager for the 25 supported languages. Media is the media library where uploaded site images, banners, and assets live. Database inside the templates menu is the database management console for power users. Table inspection, query running, and schema tools. Pages. The sixth menu with a document icon is Pages. Direct shortcuts to the public-facing front of your site. Opened so you can see what visitors see. Website main is your home page. Website videos is the public video browse page. Website users is the public user directory if your site exposes one. Website models is the public performer directory. Website galleries is the public photo gallery browse. Website categories is the public category index. Website cams is the live cams browse page. Traffic. The seventh menu with a chart line icon is traffic. Sponsor and banner management for your monetization layer. Sponsor management is the master sponsor list. Add, edit, and configure each sponsor that pays you for traffic. Sub-sponsors handles the secondary sponsors that fall under a parent sponsor in your traffic hierarchy. Banner management is the catalog of every banner creative. Image, dimensions, target URL, click count, and current status. Add banner, marked with a new badge, is the quick form for uploading a new banner without going through the full management screen. Banner zones defines the slots on your site where banners can be placed, each with its own dimensions, rotation rules, and traffic share. Reports. The eighth menu with a bar chart icon is Reports. Every analytics and audit view in one place. Financial reports, marked New, is the revenue dashboard showing tips, subscriptions, PPV unlocks, and platform fees. Click Stats breaks down outbound click traffic by source, day, and target. Token usage shows where your AI credits are being consumed. Grab History is the audit log of every Grabber feed run with success and failure counts. Content Analytics opens in a new tab and displays per video and per gallery performance metrics. Banner Statistics, marked Stats, is per banner click-through and impression analytics. Access Log shows every admin login and key action with timestamps and IP addresses. Scan Report is the gallery moderation triage queue fed by the autoscanner. Category Stats shows click and view distribution across content categories. Best Categories ranks categories by performance to help you spot top earners. System Integrity is a checksum-based check that verifies critical files haven't been tampered with. PHP Info dumps your full PHP configuration page, useful when diagnosing server issues. Requirements reruns the install time server requirements check. Traffic Stats is your overall site traffic dashboard with refer and geo breakdowns. AI Learning Dashboard, marked New, shows what the platform's AI features are learning from user behavior and content patterns. Turi, Robots. The ninth menu with a robot icon is Robots. Automated Content Auditing. AutoScan opens the gallery scanner that crawls every gallery and runs up to 29 quality checks like dead links, pop-ups, hijacks, and banned content. Scan Report jumps to the moderation queue showing the galleries the most recent scan flagged. Tools. The 10th menu is Tools. Power User Utilities and System Admin. Set Password is the secure admin. Password update flow at repair.php with the setup-basic-auth action. Modules opens the module installer for adding optional plugins and extensions. Upgrade links to the ComusTumbz site to grab the latest platform update. Register script also links to ComusTumbz, where you can register or upgrade your license. Log Viewer is an in-browser tale of your application log files, error logs, video processor logs, cron logs, and more. Multi. The 11th menu with a sitemap icon is multi-site administration. Future use is currently the only entry. It manages the other ComusTumbz installations, linked to this one for cross-site sync, shared user accounts, and consolidated reporting. Settings. The 12th menu with a gear icon is Settings. Every configuration screen on the platform. General Settings is the master site configuration with the database, paths, license, and core options. Video processor settings tune transcoding quality, HLS segments, watermarks, intro and outro roles, and the player. Cam settings configures every live cam site integration, API keys, sync intervals, and white label mappings. Grabber settings tunes the tube grabber import system, user agent, CURL timeout, fake stats, auto matching, and detail enrichment. User permissions assigns roles and per action capabilities for staff accounts. Creator platform is where you set the platform fee, minimum withdrawal, tip limits, and verification requirements. Billing system, marked new, is the payment provider configuration for Stripe, PayPal, CCBill, SegPay, and the rest. Email templates is the editor for every transactional email the site sends. Messages is the moderation dashboard for member-to-member private messaging. Notifications is the in-app notification manager with stats and a broadcast send form. Partners is your traffic trade partner configuration. Blacklist manages IPS, domains, and patterns that should be blocked from your site. SEO settings is the meta tag, schema, robots, and sitemap controller. Cron Manager, marked new, is the scheduled task control center where you turn individual cron jobs on or off and override their schedules. Sitemap is the XML sitemap generator with manual and automatic generation modes. Guides, the 13th and final menu with a rocket icon and a new badge in orange, is Guides, operational playbooks for new operators. Site Builder walks you through setting up a fresh ComusTumbz site from zero. Traffic growth covers strategies for growing your audience and inbound traffic. Monetization explains how to turn that traffic into revenue using the platform's payment, tipping, subscription, and skim systems. Resources is a curated set of links to outside tools, services, and reference material that pair well with ComusTumbz. The license bar. To the right of the navigation on every admin page is the license status bar. The green check confirms the license server has verified your installation. Your tier is shown next: free, registered, premium, or whatever level you've activated. If your tier carries a traffic skim, the percentage is shown in orange so you can see at a glance how much outbound click traffic is being redirected to the license server. Then your remaining AI credit balance in dollars, with the Buy Credits button next to it that opens the credits purchase page on ComusTumbz.com, pre-filled with your license key, domain, and email. So the round trip is one click out and one click back. To the right of that is the classic modern toggle. Flip it left for the older sidebar layout. Leave it right for this top bar layout. The choice is saved per browser, so each admin can pick whichever feels faster. That's the entire modern navigation menu. Help, import, database, engine, templates, pages, traffic, reports, robots, tools, multi-settings, and guides. Plus the license bar and the layout toggle. Every admin page on the platform sits behind one of those 13 drop-downs, and the menu stays anchored at the top of the page no matter where you click, so you're always one hover away from any tool you need.